Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Hanifah. I would like to tell you about the story when the bird spoke to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once upon a time, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions in a long journey. Suddenly, a bird flew over to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The bird was fluffing its wings and looked worried, and the bird spoke to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and told him that one of the companions had taken its egg from its nest. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam then told the companions to stop all the caravans, horses and camels. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Who took the egg from the bird nest?" The companions were silent. They waited for someone to step forward. Then one of them said, "I did, ya Rasulullah." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled and said, "Then you should give them back to the bird." The bird thanked to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and flew away. Thank you.
Story when the bird spoke to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once upon a time, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions in a long journey. Suddenly, a bird flew over to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The bird was flapping its wings and looked worried. Then the bird spoke to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and told him that one of the companions had taken its egg from its nest. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam then told the companions to stop all the caravans, horses, and camels. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Who took the egg from the bird's nest?" The companions were silent. They waited for someone to step forward. Then one of them said, "I did, ya Rasulullah." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled and said, "Then you should give them back to the bird." The bird thanked to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and flew away. Thank you.